Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is an API using very simple words. Even if you are a beginner, don't worry. Let's start. API stands for Application Programming Interface. In simple words, API helps two applications talk to each other. Just like humans use language, applications use APIs. Applications cannot work alone. They need data from other systems. APIs help applications send data and receive data easily. APIs are used everywhere. In mobile apps, websites, online payments, and even social media. For example, when you log in using Google, an API is working. There are different types of APIs. Web APIs work on the internet. Operating system APIs help software talk to the OS. Database APIs connect to databases. APIs save time for developers. They help applications connect easily. They also make development faster. So remember, APIs are like a bridge between applications. They are very important in today's digital world.